These bikes are built tough, and with this massive engine upgrade, you've got power and reliability packed into one incredible machine.
Welcome to BikeSphere, the home for motorcycle and mini bike enthusiasts who love discovering new machines, powerful upgrades, and the latest releases. Today, we dive into one of the most surprising and charming small bike launches of the year, the 2026 Coleman B200. Known for its rugged simplicity and off-road friendliness, the B200 enters 2026 with improvements that stay true to its roots while adding modern reliability and comfort. This is your complete look at what makes the new B200 a standout in the mini bike world. A legacy of simplicity. Coleman mini bikes have always been about one thing: fun. They're not built for speed records or professional racing. Instead, they focus on easy riding, backyard adventures, and trails that most bikes ignore. The 2026 B200 continues that tradition, keeping the timeless frame geometry and compact form factor that riders recognize instantly. It's the same rugged trail companion, but now refined with smarter engineering and tougher materials. Updated power and performance. The heart of the 2026 Coleman B200 is an updated 200 cubic centimeters four-stroke engine designed for smoother power delivery and better reliability. This engine produces steady low-end torque, perfect for hill climbs, camping trails, forest paths, and slow technical riding. Even though the top speed remains modest, the throttle response is now cleaner, helping riders feel more in control during off-road situations. The new carburation and intake improvements help reduce sputtering at low speeds, a common trait in older mini bikes. Coleman has also tuned the exhaust for a more confident tone without pushing volume levels too high. The performance may not be extreme, but the goal is consistency, and the B200 delivers exactly that. Chassis strength and ride comfort. Durability is a critical part of the B200's design philosophy. For 2026, Coleman reinforces the steel tubular frame, improving impact resistance and trail stability. The bike still features its signature fat tires, which act as natural suspension, absorbing vibration on gravel, sand, mud, and uneven hardpack. Coleman also refines the seat cushioning, adding a slightly thicker foam density for longer rides. The ergonomics remain upright and relaxed, making it comfortable even for new or young riders. A revised handlebar position reduces wrist fatigue, an important upgrade for slow-speed trail exploration. Braking and safety. The braking system on the 2026 B200 receives an essential update. Coleman integrates a redesigned rear drum assembly with smoother engagement and better heat tolerance. While the bike still uses simple mechanical components, the tuning is noticeably improved, giving riders more confidence on descents and quick stops. A new chain guard and spark arrestor comes standard for added safety in wooded riding areas. Coleman also includes an upgraded kill switch and simplified wiring harness to reduce electrical issues during long-term use. Utility add-ons and practical features. One of the biggest advantages of the 2026 B200 is its practicality. Coleman adds a small integrated rear cargo rack capable of holding camping gear, fuel canisters, or light tools. The bike also comes with reinforced fenders that resist cracking during trail debris impacts. With better ground clearance and a rugged skid plate, the B200 can handle roots, rocks, and shallow water crossings. Riders who enjoy hunting, camping, or backyard trail loops will appreciate these functional upgrades. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. The 2026 B200 is incredibly fuel efficient thanks to its small displacement engine and simplified design. Coleman highlights improved combustion efficiency, giving the bike longer running time on its modestly sized tank. Maintenance remains straightforward. Easy access to the air filter, chain, and spark plug guarantees low running costs and stress-free ownership. This is a machine built to last years with minimal servicing, making it ideal for families or riders who simply want a reliable fun bike. Who the 2026 B200 is for. The 2026 Coleman B200 appeals to riders who want an affordable, approachable, and durable mini bike for casual adventures. It's perfect for beginners, young riders supervised by adults, campers, outdoor enthusiasts, and hobbyists who want something simple yet capable. It's not designed for high-speed road use or racing, but for slow-paced, enjoyable off-road fun. It's nearly unbeatable in its category. Conclusion: the 2026 Coleman B200 proves that you don't need high horsepower or advanced electronics to have a great ride. With its balanced upgrades, improved reliability, and classic mini bike charm, the new B200 continues a legacy that has captured the hearts of outdoor riders for decades. If you're looking for a rugged, simple, and endlessly entertaining machine, the Coleman B200 should be at the top of your list. Thanks for watching BikeSphere. Stay tuned for more reviews, breakdowns, and deep dives into the latest bikes of 2026 and beyond.